Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. This is Sanfidal speaking from Good Retro Times. Today, please allow me to introduce a nice piece of art from the beautiful vintage history of Sansuie. This is the Sansuie 7000, which Sansuie built it back to 1970 to 1972. As you see, it looks solid, firm. We will review each side in a minute. I like the color combination with the real wood case, front gray, panel with chrome edges here, bottoms, as you see, they are. By the way, it's easy to lose these stickers because I see few reviews on the YouTube without these stickers. Everything in this unit is original. As you see, no scratches, no restoration. This one still no repair, no restore. Still original as it is. So from the front panel, this dark glass, unfortunately you cannot see the light illuminating inside, only when you use the radio. So if you go for other functions, you will see no light, only you see the logo of the function. For example, UX or tape. Here, the front knobs, speakers. This model, it was unusual to come with 3 pairs of speakers. You can use here 3 pairs of speakers. First pair, A, B, and C. And also, you can combine A with B or A with C. So you can use A with B together or A with C. But you can connect a 3 pairs of speaker here. You have the bass, as you see, the button is still shiny, never unlocked, never removed, clicky, see, still new, no restoration, everything is original, see, also here, this is the volume, balance, and mic level. And this is the selector. This is a very beautiful unit. It's still in a very good shape. A little, I don't know what was that, but it was for sure when they purchased it. I like the combination with the heat sink at the side and the wood. The sticker is still there. And here you see the System A speakers, push button. And I prefer this type of speakers because it will catch the wire inside. This is for quick use and not complicated like screws. B, that was in my opinion, B and C. You can also connect external devices and you can limit the power from 120 watt to 260. You have the FM tunic adjust input for tape, and this is the input board. As you see, the phono, FM radio and AM, the ground, and also I like this magnetic antenna with this mechanism rods. Even the plastic still there, the original plastic, as you see. Never See, never restored. I like the grill here and here and how it matches up. You have too many functions, two fuses. Let's power it up. Alright, let's power it up. Power switch. As you see, screen is black and only the function illuminating. Phono 1, and here the beautiful lights. Next, mono. When you go to AM, the tone will disappear. See? And you will have the signal strength meter. Unfortunately, when you're going to use EUX, you will have only this display. Let's turn it off, connect the speakers. Now let's turn it on and check the functions. You turn it on. As you see, a nice color illuminating. Now it's an FM, but there is a trick here. This button, you have to push it because it says FM muting off. Here. You have also FM auto, it's the same. AM. And AM, this dial will be off. And let's go for UX. Here, UX.